Enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Fall is the perfect time to add warmth and charm to your home with natural elements and cozy touches. Whether you live in the countryside or the city, these ideas will help you create a welcoming autumn atmosphere in your space. Let's explore some beautiful rustic fall decor ideas that are easy to incorporate into any home. Burlap table runner with pine cones. Start your fall decorating with a simple burlap table runner. Add a touch of nature with a scattering of pine cones down the center. This look is both rustic and elegant, perfect for any dining room or kitchen table. Wooden crate filled with pumpkins. Grab an old wooden crate and fill it with pumpkins in various sizes and colors. This centerpiece is versatile and can be placed on a dining table, coffee table, or even outside on your porch. Mason jar candle holders with twine. Take mason jars and wrap the tops with twine. Place small candles inside and use them as rustic candle holders for your mantel or table. The soft glow will add a cozy feel to your space. Galvanized metal buckets with fall foliage. Fill galvanized metal buckets with autumn leaves, branches, and berries. This arrangement brings a farmhouse vibe and a pop of color to your home. Vintage ladder with cozy blankets. Lean an old wooden ladder against a wall and drape cozy, fall-colored blankets over the rungs. This not only provides warmth, but also adds a rustic touch to your decor. Harvest wreath made of twigs and wheat. Create a rustic wreath using twigs, wheat stalks, and small pumpkins or gourds. Hang it on your front door to welcome guests with a touch of fall charm. Wooden dough bowl with acorns and candles. Fill a wooden dough bowl with acorns and small candles. This makes a simple yet beautiful centerpiece that embodies the rustic feel of fall. Stack of vintage books with mini pumpkins. Place a stack of vintage books on your coffee table and top them with mini pumpkins or gourds. It's an easy way to incorporate a rustic element into your living room. Rustic wood slice coasters. Use wood slices as coasters for your drinks. These add a natural, rustic touch to your home and are perfect for fall gatherings. Burlap and lace pillow covers. Swap out your regular pillow covers with ones made of burlap and lace. These materials give a cozy, vintage feel to your living room or bedroom. Wooden signs with fall quotes. Hang rustic wooden signs with fall-themed quotes or sayings in your entryway or living room. This simple decor piece can set the tone for a warm and inviting atmosphere. Apple basket centerpiece. Fill a woven basket with apples and place it on your dining table. Not only does this add a pop of color, but it also serves as a reminder of the fall harvest. Plaid throw blankets. Add plaid throw blankets to your couches and chairs. The pattern and colors are a classic fall look that complements any rustic decor style. Antique lanterns with candles. Place antique lanterns with candles on your mantel or porch. These lanterns provide a vintage touch and create a warm, inviting glow. Rustic wooden tray with seasonal items. Create a rustic vignette by placing a wooden tray on your coffee table and filling it with seasonal items like small pumpkins, acorns, and a fall-scented candle. Cotton stems in a mason jar. Fill a mason jar with cotton stems and use it as a simple, rustic centerpiece. This look is both elegant and understated, perfect for a dining table or mantel. Repurposed wooden palette for seasonal decor. Use an old wooden palette as a backdrop for displaying seasonal decor. Hang fall wreaths, garlands, or string lights on it to create a rustic focal point. Copper pots with fall flowers. Fill copper pots with fall flowers like mums or sunflowers. The warm tones of the copper and flowers add a beautiful rustic charm to your kitchen or dining area. Rustic chalkboard sign. Use a small chalkboard to write a fall greeting or menu. Place it on a shelf or hang it on the wall for a touch of rustic charm. Wheat bundles tied with burlap. Bundle wheat stalks together and tie them with a piece of burlap. Place these bundles in a corner of your living room or entryway for a subtle rustic decoration. Thanks for watching. We hope these rustic fall decor ideas inspire you to add a touch of autumn warmth to your home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips and seasonal inspiration. Have a wonderful and cozy fall season.